Alright, so I'm here with a review on Queen Weave Beauty hair. I did an unboxing video. I put a link for that as well, but I didn't feel like a review would be accurate enough if I did a review as soon as I put the hair in. So I kind of like to wear the hair for a little bit just to really see if the hair can withstand anything and see if it can still appear to be the same as when I first got it. So things that I look for to consider good hair good is there any tangling? Is there any shedding? If it's curly and I straighten it, will it go back to the curl pattern? This doesn't fit that criteria because it's already straight. And then the other thing that I look for is, can I use it for multiple installs? So I can't really count that one either because this is the first install that I've had with this hair. But I will say, I went to Beyonce concert, I went to a pool party. What else have I done in this hair? I've been caught in the rain. Yeah, 95-degree weather here in Atlanta. So I would definitely say that this hair has had plenty of tests to see if it is indeed a good quality grade of hair, and it definitely is. I would definitely purchase from this company again. Probably maybe try something else, like maybe they're curly or they're wavy, but this really works for me. I have in 3 bundles. I don't have the full 3, but it's a little over 2.5. So it's better just to get 3. So I have 3 bundles and a closure. The closure came out really, really good. I might need to shift it to the left and shift it to the right. Somebody caught that. But anyways, the closure is really nice. I had ended up over bleaching the closure. So I'm gonna show you a video on how I was able to fix that as well. But yeah, the hair is awesome. Very minimal shedding. And I think the shedding mostly comes from the fact that, like, I don't sleep with a bonnet or tie my hair up at night, so it gets kind of wild and crazy by the time I wake up in the morning. So I really think the little bit of shedding that does happen is because of the way that I maintain and take care of this hair. Oh, another thing that I look for to decide if hair is good is if it holds a curl. This hair does hold a curl very well. It's just easier for me to just keep it straight, which is why I had ordered straight hair. I really love just the fact that it doesn't feel silky like most straight hair does. And I'm gonna get a little closer so you can see that it is textured, and you'll see that in the video where I did the unboxing too, where it has these little, like, I don't know, kind of like waves, kind of. But you can see that it's got this kind of like, it just looks relaxed. Like, it looks like I have a relaxer on natural hair, which I really like, because when you buy Brazilian straight hair and you're not Brazilian, it's a little, it's a little hard to convince people that it's your hair. Not that I'm really trying to convince somebody that this is my hair, but it definitely looks more natural with this texture. And this is the Light Yaki. All of the details will be in there because I might be getting this wrong, but it is the Light Yaki texture that I went with. The closure matches very well. Yeah, I like this hair. I really like this hair. It came out really good. I did have a little bit of trouble when I tried to double up the wefts to sew it in. The wefts are a little thick, so it is a little difficult to get your needle through. But other than that, it really doesn't have anything to do with the quality of the hair. The hair is still good, but the wefts are kind of thick when it comes to sewing it. I prefer sew-ins over wigs. Wigs are cool. I do wear them as well. But I don't know. I just have a thing for sew-ins that I just can't seem to let go. So this is my review. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to comment, share, please share. I need to get my subscribers up. And be sure to follow me on Instagram for more pictures and possibly videos with this hair, because I can see it's being together for a long time.